Alright guys, we're back. We'll do a little unboxing of the Sony XAV-AX210, sometimes known as the 210 SXM. Reason is, they come with the free XM kit in the box. Sony struck the deal with them, and they got a bunch of units. Don't mind the old Sony over here. It was an oldie but a goodie. But awesome unit, 6.2-inch display. This is the last one from Sony that is going to have the CD DVD player built into the unit itself. Basically CD and DVD are becoming obsolete, so this is the last one as a current model that's going to have it built in. You got Android Auto, Apple Carplay, so CD DVD, of course Bluetooth. You got 3 camera inputs. So you got a rear camera, of course, and you got 2 additional inputs. You can do front camera, side view camera. They're selectable on the screen. Of course, Sirius XM, because it comes with it. And this one is Maestro compatible. What Maestro is, for some of you guys who don't know, is a way to kind of see some of the vehicle features directly on this radio screen. I can bring gauges onto the radio. I'll kind of show you a little bit there. So extra gauges, customizable gauges. Certain vehicles have things like backup sensor overlays. You get sometimes tire pressure monitoring system, AC controls for certain vehicles, like you put it in a Ford F350 and you can actually control all the air conditioning from the radio display. So kind of a really cool feature. Standard 55x4 amplifier built in on these. So let's, other than that, we've got a really nice box. Some of our standard features on the back, and the same thing, all your USBs on the rear, Android, Apple. So you can see also all the video files that it will play, and audio files that will play through the USB. So let's get her open. So there's the Sirius XM kit. Comes with the antenna and the module. Paperwork, 3 months free if you buy the unit. A little bit about Sirius XM, book, and let's get to the good stuff. Alright. So, there's our unit. And we'll open it up, so I'm actually getting ready to install this little guy. And we'll show you some features. So there's our nice display, 6.2-inch screen, nice volume knob, track buttons, home icon. Nice thing with this unit is you'll notice if you've done doubled ins before, looks like a standard doubled in. So it is a standard doubled in depth, but this one gives you a little extra room underneath it. So you can see that extra little gap that's there. Got a little extra spacing that's underneath that, kind of hide your module underneath there for some vehicles that need it. Use a Maestro module, can mount right underneath there. That way your harnessing looks nice, fits in the dashboard a lot easier, so really great job on that. And especially for having a CD DVD slot still, it's really nice to be able to have that. So flip it to the back. Of course you have all our RCAs. You have rear, front, 1 single subwoofer output. For guys who are doing subwoofers, you will need an RCA splitter for this. So a 1 male to 2 female. So you will be required for almost any of the Sony units that are doubled ins, all have these single RCA subwoofer output. So got a video output. This is one of the only ones that actually has a video output left from Sony on these. So you have video out, then you have your camera 1, camera 2, and your rear view camera. Those are your input cameras there. Built-in cooling fan. There, of course, is our USB for Android Auto. They do give you an extension in the package. I'll show you that in a second. Sirius XM plug-in. And these are our iData plugs. If you're not using iData or Maestro, then just disregard those. So, of course, plug, microphone, and steering wheel control remote. And if you have steering wheel controls, this is where it's going to plug. Do not plug it in the microphone. Big no-no. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Just really well built quality unit. So let me get to some of the plugs. Here's our package of plugs. That's pretty much it. And these guys up. You have your standard power plug on this guy here. Nothing crazy. Reverse camera, power ground remote. speaker wires, and your parking brake. These are a standard parking brake bypass. Nothing crazy. Our USB extension cable, nice long cable for that. Bluetooth microphone, an easy little piece. A little strap for the USB. And Sony, surprisingly enough, still gives you a remote control. Yay, Sony. There's a lot of customers that ask for this, and it actually, all their double-din XAV units come with a remote control. They're all the same remote control also. So if you had an old unit and you still have a remote control, it will work on a new unit and vice versa. So nice on that. So other than that, that's pretty much it. That was the XAV-AX210 from Sony. Awesome unit, CD, DVD, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, 3 camera inputs. Don't forget, 3 camera and Maestro. And they work flawlessly with Maestro in cars. We've done a bunch of Volkswagens, GM, Ford trucks with these, and the Maestro is really, really nice. So, all right, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. That was a review of the XAV-AX210. Guys, any questions, comment down below. Like, subscribe, share, ring the bell. I'm going to be doing a bunch of these unboxing videos coming up, usually about a bunch of audio stuff. Been in the business for 20 plus years doing audio, so if you like it, if you have any questions, again, let me know, and I'll be doing a bunch of these, so subscribe. Keep it rocking.